Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, I'm here in my 2000 GMC C3500, and what we're going to be doing today is replacing the blower motor resistor. What it's doing is it won't work on anything but high speed. You turn it on medium or low, the fan, it does not work. And what the problem is the blower motor resistor go out, and it causes it only to blow on that high speed. And let me just show you what I ordered here. This is not going to be the original part or anything. Just ordered this off Amazon. It is a blower motor resistor, and like I say, you got different part numbers and different brands and stuff, and I got the original, but I figure it's a little cheaper, and I figure it'd be probably just as good. Let me just show y'all that, what it looks like. Okay, y'all, this is what it's going to look like right there. And I've never had to place it on this truck here yet. It just went out, and I haven't been driving it, so I said, well, since I'm start using this truck a little bit more, might as well go ahead and get that taken care of. And it just got all these different springs right here, different resistance in them. Causes your fan speed to be variable, and just real simple. And I believe it's gonna, I haven't looked yet, I believe it's gonna be behind this glove box. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all, is just take this glove box out first, and we'll see if we can see it up under there. Y'all got this glove box out, and to get it out, all I did, I just pushed in on this little rubber ear right here, just kind of push in on it, and it clears this plastic right here, and then just kind of lower it down. And it's got two little hinge points there. Just real quick and easy just to get that down, no problem at all. And let's take a look here. I looked up in here and I found it. It's sitting right there on top of your HVAC box on this truck. Real simple to get to. I wasn't sure, I think some of them's on the bottom and some of them on your top there. So that's gonna be easy job right there, shouldn't take too long. Let me see what it looks like. Move this light here, y'all see what it looks like. There is we're gonna have that bolt right there on this bracket to take it loose, and then you're gonna have one right back here on the top of your resistor, and we'll get that out and move that bracket to the side. Then you got one more left in that resistor, and just take that connector loose, y'all. These little bolts or screws, y'all, it's going to be a 7mm. So I got this one out right there, and I'm just taking that one out. We're going to get that bracket out. Now we're ready to take this connector loose. All we're going to do is this little ear right here. You're going to pry. I'm probably not going to be able to show you because I can't, you know, hold a camera light and all at the same time. But anyway, just going to pry out on this little ear right there. I'm going to go pry out this way. I'm going to take another screwdriver and just kind of pick up on this connector right here all at the same time. It's basically going to take two. So you can probably do it one, but I don't want to break my ear off. You see it right there moving. And pry out on it. Getting behind it, pry out. Then I'm going to just pull up on it. I'll just push that connector back off in there. And you do want to check your connector. Make sure it's not burnt or damaged in any way, because if it is, it can short out that new resistor or pop a fuse. And it's kind of tied up in here. So I have to try to work it out. But you can kind of see it hits up against this plastic. But let me go ahead and cut this camera off and let me kind of work it out of there. With a new one, when we go back in, we gotta be careful not to bend them springs or anything. Give them touch. They look real similar. I can see a little difference in the length of the springs on this one right here versus this one, but I don't reckon that makes a difference. It's just about all the, you know, the resistance value. But I did notice on this spring here on the old one and this one, it has like a little rust, like where they had heated up. So I'm not really sure exactly what went wrong with it, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. This got a lot of dust up in here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out first. Clean it up a little bit before I get ready to put this in. Take his ear and kind of do reverse procedure. I was just sticking this ear up, and I'm just gonna work it in there. And then when it goes in, I'm gonna just kind of twist it back around because the ear has to be on this left side. So a connector go back on there. But like I say, it's kind of tied up in here. So I'm just gonna work that in there. Alright y'all, before I put this in here, I want to just verify these springs are not touching or anything got damaged. So it's very important to make sure everything looks good before you set it down in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this camera off one more time and to get this set in there, check it out. And like I say, I can't do it with both my hands here tied up with the camera, so let me just go ahead and check that out real quick. That connector looks real good. That's what you want it to look like. If it's burnt or anything like that, you want to cut that off and replace it. Alright y'all, time to check it out and see if it's gonna work now. Alright y'all, well that fixed the problem. It's a quick installation. Probably took me about 25 minutes probably, I guess. The hardest part, I guess, one of the screws on the back of that bracket right there, getting it out and then getting it back in. It's a little tight. And but other than that, y'all, it's a real easy job. I think the part might cost maybe $11, so it's not that expensive. And so if you have a problem where your fan blower motor, it only works on high and doesn't work on low, medium anymore, it's probably that blower resistor. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and as usual, from my family, yours, friends, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye bye.